Grandma's funniest dog reactions ever. So I'm gonna go up to Lucky Ducky. His eyes are glowing in the camera. He's a chocolate lab. His name's Lucky, but I call him Lucky Ducky. Okay, let's see. Oh, Lucky, I wish I had a pet. Aw, I wish I had a pet, Lucky. Do you want to be my new dog? Okay, let me check on it. Lucky, I wish I had a pet. Will you be my puppy? You want to be my puppy? Want to be my puppy? You want to be my puppy? Yeah. Yeah? Okay, I'm in my pajamas right now because I do not feel like getting changes like my lazy Sunday stuff. Even if it's not Sunday. So Bella hates me because I don't know why. This is Scout. He usually goes, "Wish you were my puppy." No, you don't wish? I'm doing a sweet one here, Lucky. Hey, Bella. Hey, oh, hey. Remember, she's the little puppy that the last video I made was called My Puppy. I had to go a lot for her. Who's my puppy? Who's my puppy, Bella? Who's my puppy? Who's my puppy? Are you 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 my puppy? Huh? Where's Maggie? Where's Maggie, Bella? Where's Maggie? Where did she go? Where did Maggie go? Bella, where did Maggie go? Don't she win? No? You're just gonna stare at me like that? Okay. I guess. Maggie! Probably outside too. That stinking dog. Hey, I'm outside, you guys. Wait, let me make sure that I'm all the way up. Found her. I'm all the way up in Arcadia right now with my grandma. Spending the night. They went to the store, so I'm staying here by myself. My sister's here. Lucky, you wanna come out? You wanna come out? Stop making your eyes glow, Lucky. You're creeping me out. Oh, don't do that. Let me open it more. You're kind of like a big dog, you know? You need more space to yourself. Okay, sorry if my camera stops automatically. I have like no space. Are you looking at the chickens? These are our chickens. We're supposed to have a lot more, but something got a hold of them, so we only have 4 right now. Now here they all are. I'm like in the backyard. My grandpa likes to build. He was building a barn. Yeah, but he needed a blueprint for it, so he has to take it down after all the hard work. Hey, Bella! Do you want to go back inside? You want to go back inside, or are you going to dig a hole? She likes to dig holes the way out. Lucky will go and break this open for everyone to escape. He was just rolling around like those little... I love dogs. I'll be right back. Let me get changed. Well, shouldn't have said that. But I'll put this on pause. I'm still keeping on my pajama pants, but I'm pretty sure this is okay. So you might not see everything. I'm pretty sure it's okay. This pajama. Follow me, Lucky. Lucky's like one of my little favorites. Scout scares Lucky, the little chihuahua. Scout's a little biter too. If you accidentally move your feet once, that thing, he'll just snap, but he won't hurt you. He's such a good boy. Looks like a little raccoon, doesn't he? Ugh. What do you have on your mouth, Maggie? Beside your tongue. You are wet. How did you get out here anyways, too? The door was closed. I have to make sure not to step in any dog poo. He's on barefoot. I hate shoes. It's not really dog reactions, I guess. I guess I'm just following them and Ew. You guys, ew, almost stepped in dog poop. Okay. Lucky, where's the lizard? Where's the lizard? Is it over there? I don't see no lizard, I only see Bella. Ew, don't go in the fire. Ugh. Bullets. I guess in Sarasota it snowed there. So I'm so happy. Because it might snow down here tonight. And I've a little bit of snow when I was 3 and I kind of chose not to wear gloves like my parents told me to. And I'm not doing it again. I'm not going to wear gloves. Oh my gosh, it's so fluffy. You know that, right? Well, it's only been going for 5 minutes. It felt longer. I have to check because it only makes my videos 15 minutes long. I want to go outside and see the chickens, but these dogs like to escape, especially the little one. She's faster than a chicken. Get your... Like the camera? Lucky likes the camera. Lucky. You guys all get a selfie or something? Is that what you all want? Come on. Scout! Scout, turn around. And I just finger brushed my hair. So, probably gonna go brush in the kitchen. This is like what I had to eat so far. Because I asked nicely. I had, what are they called? Okay, so my aunt made some toast, 2 sausages, like those sausage patties, spicy, and some eggs with cheese. So, and I made a sandwich out of that. And then she did the same thing for lunch because I asked for that for lunch. Apparently my Xbox just made a huge line against my GTA disc. So that's not working anymore. I tried using the one that downloaded it, but it just said enter disc 2. I'm really tired. It took me like forever to go to sleep last night. Mostly because I wanted to stay on my phone, but guys, I want to get in trouble, which I won't, but I just don't want to. Because if I leave Bella out here, or Lucky, if Lucky gets scared, then he'll open this gate open, and all of them will go flying out. So I want to make sure I stay with him. Because this dog is scared of fireworks, lawnmowers, Scout. I'm scared of chickens. No, I'm just joking. I'm scared of roosters. That's a fact. They said they sent us all female chickens. This one. Is this no? Here, let me get this piece of gum out here. Who did that? Who did that, Lucky? Who did that to you? Oh, yeah, he's a good boy. His sister, lady, passed away. I think she was getting like cancer or something. That's what I heard. Marmaduke we got rid of because they kept biting, mostly Marmaduke. Hurt Lucky, and Lucky was just defending herself. What's that wound right there on your... Okay, well, just be careful, you little... Yes, dog, everything, whatever you are. He's the best. Oh my gosh, what is that? That's nasty. Not even watching for the dog stuff. I'm just gonna climb the fence. Ew, there's so much around here. Actually, I don't want to go outside. Maggie used to be our dog. Her name was Remy, but they renamed her Maggie. We had to get rid of her because she could not be trained, and my grandma's like the best one at training dogs, so. And we had to get rid of her because we lived in a house that would not allow dogs, so that's another thing. What the heck are you doing? Looks like you're in a situation, okay? You guys want to go inside? You guys want to go inside? No, it's not feeding time for you guys yet, and you guys don't fight over which bowl is which. Kind of like me and my sister. Right? Go. Look how fast she is. Come on, Scout, wanna go inside, or are you waiting for Mima? Come on, you guys. You go inside? Come on, Lucky, wanna go back inside? They don't want to come. I have to watch them, maybe. Well, so now you want to come? No. These are looking really weird though. The smart ones. Lucky stays with me. Lucky's my buddy. Oh. Wow. Maggie. There are plenty other ways to say hi to you, Lucky. Lucky. It's actually really beautiful out here. That car is like really old, so we don't go in that one. That's where like put stuff in. I want to do a little bit Animal Jam, but I've been playing that ever since I woke up, so. Haha.